OS102B-bluetooth smart lock using guide. Install lock. Prepare a screwdriver and 4 PCS alkaline batteries. Install silicon pad on lock. Install lock. Install batteries. Connect smart lock to smart app.
Open amp. Touch plus. Door lock. Next. Touch keypad. Here is a plus. Touch. The lock is connected to the amp front door.
Unlock door by app.
You can unlock it, but we touch it. The door is unlocked, and you can see unlock records will be seen here by the real time.
Share e-key to family member.
You need to give access authority of this lock to your family member, so you need to send e-key parent. Input the mobile number account. And the family member name. Your family member get the e-key. He can unlock it. Now the lock is unlocked. In the meantime, when your family unlocks the door, you can see the record here. For anyone unlock the door, you can see the record.
Share e-key to friend.
If you have a friend or Tom come to your family, but you are not at home, so you need to send him a timed e-key. For example, he will stay 2 days. From today, 2 days, and his mobile number. Okay, notification arrived. This e-key will expire in 2 days, so I unlock it. So Tom can go into your house and you can get the record by real time.
Share e-key to home cleaner.
If you have a home cleaner and this cleaner come to your house 3 days a week, every day 2 hours recurring, and see the only time Monday, Tuesday, and Saturday, and the start time is 14 p.m. to 16 p.m. Work in a house for 2 months. Okay, and the receiver's account and Sherry. Let's see. Look, now Sherry gets the e-keys. The e-key is not valid at the moment, so Sherry can only unlock the door and then 6 hours every week, and you can get the notice when Sherry unlock your door.
Generate passcode.
You can also generate passcode. For example, one-time passcode. Let's try. Now it's unlocked. Let's try again. So it doesn't work, means it can only work for one time.
Add IC card.
IC cards, touch an IC card. And for example, this is your doctor kit. Now this card is connected. Let's unlock it. The lock is unlocked.